Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear Vascular colleague. I'm going to start the vascular duplex scan courses in the new vascular center, Vascular Art, and will be TOT courses, train the trainer. And online participation, the on-site participation will be able to do the duplex scan, and the online will watch the interaction during performing duplex scan. I think duplex scan is extremely important for a vascular surgeon, and there is a lot of recent advances. To pick up one of these advances is robotic assisted duplex scan. What does it mean? It means that a robot can hold the duplex scan and you can train artificial intelligence to follow superficial femoral artery, peroneal artery, tibial arteries, and you can correct this machine. A lot of universities in Europe have started to have robotic guided ultrasound system. One of these systems is what you see here by a company called Kuka Inoue, which have a Japanese participation. You can see here, this is the robotic arm, which is controlled by robot. This is a duplex machine on the common femoral artery, and they have used a torso which is made out of plastic. They haven't run in human yet, and you can see this is a GE machine which is being used to assess the duplex scan image. So how this work? Well, the artificial intelligence is very nice in picking up the guide wire, following up the guide wire, or picking up an artery, following up an artery, and it continuously teach itself how to move. Well, if you don't like the robotic motion for following up of vessels, then you can do your manual motion. So you can move the robotic arm right or left, up or down. And this way you have a full control. Now, how robot can put gel in the machine that you're working? Again, they have developed a machine that puts a small amount of gel just in front of the probe movement. And you can see it work perfectly. It was very nice, no extra gel, no less gel, and it gives a very good tracking of the vessels that is being allocated by the artificial intelligence. So you can put gel using AI, and if you combine CT scan with artificial intelligence, then you got a fantastic system. Again, this is how you can put a CT scan image, duplex probe image, combine both of them, and you can selectively put a needle into any structure that you want in so much ease. So this is a 3D scan combined with a duplex scan. So there is a lot of advances, a lot of new things happen in the vascular field, especially duplex scan. Duplex scan is not only used for diagnosis, but it is used for management as well. So you can manage like endovenous laser ablation, like compression of pseudoaneurysm, ultrasound guided compression, like so many other things. So I hope you all can join us. If you're unable to join us in person, you can join us online. I would like very much the online audience to have the benefit. It will be 2 hours every Thursday from 9 to 11 p.m. Cairo time, and will be live broadcasted. And we hope you can join us, send us your comment. There are 2 groups in WhatsApp and Telegram, which is for the coordination of all participants. I will put the link down below in the video. So you are very much welcome to join our teaching session on vascular duplex scan from the Vascular Art Center in New Cairo in Egypt. All welcome, pleasure to have you. It will be very interactive. It will give you a lot of teaching resources, and we wish you all the best.